Okay, I'm back. I actually found out that my camera completely cut off. So I went in real quick and deleted some stuff. Oh my gosh. So I am back and we're doing the calendar. And okay, so I said I had 2 dates here. So I have a birthday. So I have, excuse the shaking because I have some, and I like to use my stickers because it worked out. It worked out to use my stickers. I'm gonna do that one. Actually, I'm gonna do this one though. Pray more, worry less, right? So we're gonna use this sticker this week. And put that right on the top of there. And what else do we have in here? So this week, I know is payday. And I know that we have time with friends on this dinner. This is dinner on the 31st. And then I know that my girlfriend's birthday. So let me go back to her. Important birthday. I'm gonna use gold for my friend. Let's see. Gold. Pizza night, bestie, vacuum chores, birthday. Let's just do, because this is gonna be her 40th. Her 40th birthday. Let's just try these. They're so light out. Ooh. I need a 0. How cute are those? Okay, let's go back over here. $40. Hey, that's so cool. Okay, and then to pray without ceasing. Because we do not know what's in store on this day. Okay. Pray more, worry less, and pray without ceasing. I know, we needed to hear that. Double statement, and then I think we also need to I don't know about that yet. But I don't know if I have smaller ones. Oh, you know what I have? Let's do one of these. I don't know how it'll work out, but let's try. Sweet Salvation. They're all pretty big. Go sideways. So we're gonna wait on that. Of course, this would fit. Bringing the house of God everywhere we go. So then we just need, give us eyes to see, Lord. week. And then we have never used this, so let's do it. See how this would be. And I actually think, I know I normally don't do this, but we're gonna do it. Oy. But just for me, it made sense to have this down here. Hydration here, which I think so cool. Yay. All right, so this is our little now you might be curious because I had my coffee this morning. This is I make this. This is in my garden. And I know that it looks like a lot. And it is. And does it get in your mouth? Yeah. But is it good for you? Yes. So it's fresh lavender, rosemary, and then there's ginger. Let me grab some of this. I'm gonna stir it around so you guys can see. And then there's fresh ginger in there. And it's probably annoying to most, but so good for you. So good. So, one of my doctors recommended for me to do this to, you know, get some of the freshness in your brain from the stuff in your garden. And so I just always notice whenever I drink it, I feel like I get this, like, I don't know, a boost in my brain. It's so amazing. I love it. Taste all the organicness. You guys, our book is coming along. Look at this. That is so cool. Okay. And then in here is perfect for the whole to-do list thing. And I've never used one of these, so let's use one. There we go. The weekend is coming. So fun. And because we did that, we're just gonna throw. Ooh, God is bigger. Amen. God is bigger. Okay, that is so fun. So that's what we got cooking. And we're gonna just do, oh, I know what we were gonna do real quick. So let's put our books back up. Excuse the bump. Okay, not that one. All right, so one of my dearest, sweetest, I just love her. You know, I have a special love for all kinds of people in my life. But my girlfriend, she gave me like all these are all different from vendors all over that she has ordered in the past when she was big time into stickering. And so she gave me all of these, and so it's just been a blessing. I could do one of those. Oh, see, and that's what this is right here. Day night. Cute. Okay. Some of these people I'm gonna have to go check out because they got really cool stuff. Oh, don't forget. This, don't forget, is at 8 a.m. Bam. So cool. All right. Yay. So that's it. I'm calling it a wrap. We got this ball rolling, people. I'm gonna start making lists of things that need to get done. And I'm gonna put everything in the list from my friend that, all the things that she did, that she's gonna do this next week. So this is my business thing, guys. This is the junk journaling business video. Get our calendars together, get what we need to get down together, keep, you know, appointments and progress on task. You know, being a hairdresser, I had to meet with people all the time, vendors, and do all kinds of things. So I'm kind of just transferring the business into this. So I'm super excited. And I hope you're having an amazing day. And here is our end result. How cool is that? Bringing the house of God everywhere we go. Pray more, worry less. Pray without ceasing. We have our little hydration on the center. Can make all of our private lists on the inside, and 40th birthday and date night. Fun. Keep me organized this week and on task. Yay. All right, guys. Be well. Thank you. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.